Everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can model and texture this metallic chain along with this transparent looking metallic bob on Blender. Start by adding a torus, rotate it along x-axis to 90 degrees and then see the wireframe, select half of torus faces and extrude it along z-axis like this. Go to object mode. Now I will duplicate this modified torus and I will make a stack of chain. Again duplicate and again move it along z-axis and again adjust its position, add a sphere and then scale it up, get it smooth and move it along z-axis. Next I'm going to add material, add a new material. In the metallic I will add one and then I will decrease roughness like this chain. Then add a new material. In the base color I will decrease its intensity. Then in the metallic I will again add one and you have to see the shader view. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, show your reaction in the comment section, and if you want our services, connect us on the LinkedIn. See you in the next video. Bye bye.